AssetTrack for ServiceNow is a fully certified, scoped application available to ServiceNow customers from the ServiceNow store. You can request a trial to test the application in your non-production instance. AssetTrack for ServiceNow is connected to the ServiceNow hardware asset management module, specifically the hardware asset table. AssetTrack can be configured to target any table in the ServiceNow instance, but by default, its purpose is to help automate receiving, tracking, auditing, and retiring assets in the ServiceNow hardware asset table. You can launch AssetTrack directly from any browser. There is also iOS and Android applications, including support for rugged Android computers, RFID readers, and more. We even support fixed position portal RFID readers. The idea with AssetTrack is that we can automate lifecycle tasks. And you do so by configuring forms within AssetTrack for your various lifecycle tasks. We want to make it simple on the people at the receiving dock to receive assets, and AssetTrack is configurable to support any type of receiving scenario that you have. For example, receiving assets from an advanced ship notice, we want to make it as fast and easy for the receiving personnel. So the receive form is configured to require the user to select their ServiceNow stockroom. The state, substate, receive date are all pre-populated for me. I can use my reader, my scanner, to quickly scan in a collection of assets that I'm receiving at the dock and post them to ServiceNow, and those assets are updated and received properly in the ServiceNow instance. All this is available on a mobile app as well. We support other functions like deploying assets, returning assets to stock, transfers, and audits. By using RFID readers, we can really streamline things like audits or bulk moves. For example, on my smartphone here, I'm going to perform an audit of a stockroom. I'm going to select my ServiceNow stockroom and run a search. And then using my paired RFID reader, I'm quickly going to scan the floor of that stockroom. And you can see immediate results. We've found 25 assets, 4 are still missing. We've discovered 3 unexpected assets in this stockroom. Super fast with RFID. So it works with barcode as well, of course, or any type of scanning device. You can also have multiple people perform those audits. So then back on the ServiceNow side, we have updated and corrected the hardware asset table, corrected those unexpected assets, and we've also captured some audit statistics so that you can produce a report of your audit results. So here on the AssetTrack dashboard, we've got a current audit snapshot that shows you your audit accuracy, what percentage accuracy we have. You can drill in and see a list of missing assets that you could take action on. You could have tickets raised for those assets for people to investigate and get them written off. And we also support some other intelligence and other dashboards we bring to the ServiceNow backend. Includes audit history tracking, so we can see the accuracy of our audits over time to be able to schedule and coordinate those audits across end user environments, stockrooms, data centers, any type of location, just a matter of configuring your audit definitions properly. We track some history of those assets in terms of the lifecycle history, where assets are in the lifecycle history, how long they stay in certain asset states. This can get you some intelligence around what the useful life is that you're getting out of your assets, how long things are sitting in stock, how long in transit on average. This can help you reduce purchasing by maintaining the appropriate stock levels. We also track the user activity. It's one thing to give somebody a scanning device to collect some data and follow a process, but you need to monitor those people. And you can see here in the dashboard that we track all the scanning user activity. You can identify which users are following your process and which one aren't. AssetTrack is very extensible. You can see I've done a whole bunch of different configurations here in terms of receiving consumable stock, creating an event check-in workflow for a custom app developed in ServiceNow, auditing users, auditing locations, auditing racks. All of this interface is customizable without any developers by using the AssetTrack Manage Forms interface. All of these UIs, all of these forms are managed via an administrative UI. Your asset managers can therefore tailor the process, can add custom fields, can change these forms easily without having to, use developers or build the mobile studio or the mobile app. If we wanted to change, capture comments on this form, remove the location, reorder things, change the labels to different languages, all of this interface is highly adaptable. It comes out of the box with all the standard use cases that most of our customers typically need to manage hardware that can easily be customized. We offer trials of the software, so you can get the application in your instance for free, and we can even work with you to set up a few of your use cases and prove the concept. To get pricing or learn more, visit amitracks.com or find us on the ServiceNow store. Thank you.